In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your DaVinci Resolve version in just a few seconds. This is a super simple process, but it's really useful if you want to confirm which update you're running, verify whether you have the free version or Studio, or make sure you're following the right tutorial for your exact build. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once the program is open, look at the top left corner of the screen. That's where you'll find the main application menu. Now click on the DaVinci Resolve menu. This opens a drop-down list with several options. From that list, select About DaVinci Resolve. As soon as you click it, a small window will appear right in the center of the screen. In that window, you'll see your version number displayed in large text. For example, it may show version 19 or version 20, depending on what's installed on your system. This is the quickest way to confirm exactly which release you're using. While you're looking at the version info, also check whether it says Studio or just DaVinci Resolve. That detail is important because it tells you whether you're using the paid Studio license or the free version. If you're ever following a tutorial or troubleshooting an issue, this can make a big difference. Once you've noted the version number and license type, you don't need to do anything else. Just click anywhere on the window to close it. And that's it. You've successfully checked your DaVinci Resolve version. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more DaVinci Resolve guides for beginners and creators. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.